Hello guys, you use smartphone Realme 8. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Look complementation. In complementation we have adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay. Default complementation. Okay. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic, quad camera on the back side and LED. On the front side, talk speaker, front camera and display 6.4-inch. Slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Right side power key, volume keys, downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Upside without controls, turn on device. Okay, display Full HD Plus, Super AMOLED Matrix. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information, Android 11, 6 plus 2 cores, CPU MediaTek 6785, GPU Mali G76. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and look GPU test results. Okay, AnTuTu benchmark results, look. AnTuTu benchmark results, good result. 86 plays we have, and run demanding game GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on device. Game load. Works good, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera.